My name's Scott Marchand. I'm the Executive Director of the Arizona Aerospace Foundation, which encompasses the Pima Space Museum and the Titan Missile Museum and the Arizona Aviation Hall of Fame. We're open to the general public 363 days a year, and we are one of the world's largest and most unique aerospace heritage attractions. My job here at the Pima Space Museum is I'm responsible for the daily ins and outs of 55 staff and a couple hundred volunteers. Of course, in the modern age, every business is reliant on the web and technology, but museums especially so. We are largely trying to attract a unique audience. The tourist has a lot of choices in the modern world, and anything we can do to make ourselves easy to find, easy to understand, and enticing to visit is really critical. And of course, a positive, engaging web presence is vital to achieving that goal. So the challenges we've had previously with respect to our audience reach and the web was really search engine rankings. CS Design Studios is, fortunately for us, a local Tucson company that specializes in digital marketing and web-related services. So for the two museums we have here, they provide our web development, web hosting, back-end technical support, 24/7 troubleshooting. One of the real important things that CS Design was able to do for us was get us enrolled and participating in the Google Grants program, which has become a really invaluable part of our digital marketing effort. The optimization that CS Design and their staff contribute to that has made significant positive effect on our search engine rankings, where we turn up in page ranks, and the number of click-throughs to the active website to encourage visitation. So it's all positive for our visitor and business growth. Would I recommend CS Design? Absolutely. We've been really thrilled and pleased with CS Design. The staff are incredibly professional, friendly, accessible, but technologically, they're top-notch. Really committed and engaged to what they do for their clients, and you can really feel that as the end user. The enthusiasm they bring to their job is really reassuring and makes my job a lot easier.